Poppy again. Welcome back. This is a preamble to the sublime, the abysmal, and the just weird, a Sherline overview. I shot that a couple, 3 weeks ago, and I was in the serious mind to be humorous, sarcastic, and all that. Anyway, last night I went to the Sherline site, mostly because I wanted to see about pricing on some things that I know I want. Compound, other things. I saw some things that I like. One I really like would just make it out of steel, not aluminum. My comments on the thread fits for the spindle, I may be willing to modify once I think and experiment some more. But material choice, I will not change my mind. The spindle should be made from 01. Even if you don't heat treat it, it's 4 times as hard as stuff they made my 1995 vintage spindle out of. Since they want everything to stay the same as much as possible, so everything will fit anything else no matter when it was made, I don't think they changed. Other than that one spindle with a larger through hole, that looks nice. Give up the number 1 Morse taper. I never cared for that number 1 Morse taper. That special call it spindle, that looked nice. And they're offering WW call it. And they're even talking about orology, clock making. Good. I watched a couple of the videos. And I found the videos to be basically their instruction sheets, moving colored pictures with stereo sound. Informative, straightforward. I find I like that Rhom, R-H-O-M, that, I believe that's his name, the director of manufacturing. Yeah. In fact, I think he's Poppy. I mean, he's old enough. He's definitely over-talented. He's married, so there's a chance that he's Poppy. Very much a chance. Head tool maker, Barbara, is that her name? Seem quite mechanically skilled. You know, not your usual polite lady type. I mean, she seems like a machinist. Anyway, so when you watch the sublime, the abysmal, and the just weird, remember I was trying to be funny, but remember this. I own Sherline stuff. I'm buying more because it's the right size for the work I do. The quality is acceptable for the precision level I'm working at. Their modular design philosophy helps a lot. Everything ain't their 3-jaw lathe chuck. Except for their 4-jaw lathe chuck. I'm sorry, but without pinions to activate that scroll on those universal chucks, you know, the self-centering, I just don't think they really can do it. Anyway, I'll be showing you some projects, that things I make for my SHERLINE so that I can do work. Show you some things I did to my SHERLINE to facilitate working my way a little bit better. Something I did that will probably drive OSHA out of their skulls. Anyway, probably drive OSHA out of their skulls. I removed that beautiful plastic belt guard motor speed control mounter. I couldn't get at the belt to change the pulley speeds. Besides, I know not to stick my finger in the belt when the machine's running. I'm not the guy you have to put the sticker on the ladder. Don't go all the way to the top and lean over, man. You'll fall down. Now, I'm gonna segue into the main part of this video now.